Hello friends, it is me. It is vlog day. The April showers bring May flowers photo shoot is today. It's a very mini photo shoot slash meetup. So don't mind my background. I have just been crafting like crazy and I just woke up. So I woke up a little late. That's okay. But yeah, so I gotta make coffee. We have snacks. I made my yummy spinach dip and it's the best ever. Don't tell my mother. She'll yell at me and say, no, it's not. But yes, so, I'm excited. I'm going to be wearing my Wanderer. We're going to see how it looks so far all together. I sped read a bunch of shit last night because I decided that I wasn't going to work on cosplay yesterday. I decided I was going to garden. So, I'm a little behind, but I still have a week and a half for the con. So, hopefully I can get it done. So, yeah, everyone will be here in a couple hours, so we'll see. Dozer, what do you have to say? Dozer, you want to see your friends? Dozer, your friends are coming. Who's that? Who is that? You like Kevin? Where's Kevin? Where's Kevin? Where's Salem? Where's Hope? You don't care, you just want to see them when they get here, huh? You don't know. It's Hope.
Hi.
Hello, new friend. They are stuck in the cosplay family now. The Mossystrawberry cosplay.
I don't mind at all.
Look, guys, Kevin's here.
Yo.
Kevin.
With backdrops.
Yes, he brought all the backdrops. We have lots of backdrops. We also have the sexy cameraman hiding. Hi. And then we have Jade. We tried to get Jade without getting. Yeah.
Tortilla.
I have finally gotten around to working on the Dio jacket, trying to finish it for Indy Popcon's contest, which I did check my emails and I did get approved for. So, but yeah. We're gonna do a mini photo shoot today, and I'm gonna be doing my Wanderer, and we're gonna do some in the dark photos with the stuff. It's gonna be cool. Whack. 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 Hello. You're having issues?
Technical difficulties. Please hold.
Oh, it's gone. That's why. I'm over here like, where the heck is my thing? Yeah, we are getting ready to do photos. I haven't worn this whole cosplay yet before. I'm just tying things to me for now. If anyone thinks it looks a little off, please tell me because I'm blind. I can't see.
I have worse eyesight than you.
I don't know why.
True.
I'm basically just tying bows in the back for now that won't be seen. But yeah. What's it look like? So far.
It looks pretty good.
And then we have the bow
What,
that goes in the front. In the front.
once you get the hat on, you're gonna look fancy.
Very
I
fancy.
need a safety pin.
It's gonna be nice.
There might be some in here.
I'm gonna go around and grab my stuff.
Cosplay. There's those two. We're vibing. This one's gonna be Papyrus.
Hello, we are all from different eras of history. This one's modern. This one is I don't fucking know. Caveman.
We are setting up the photo setup.
How many gays does it take for them to put together IKEA furniture? God fucking knows.
This is Amazon furniture.
Okay. How many gays does it take together to do furniture?
Okay,
About 3 at least.
we really only need, I think, 3
It takes 3 gays and a straight man.
I'm supervising. Make sure no one loses a finger.
Tragedy. What happens if someone does lose a finger?
Those two go at the end.
I can drive to the hospital?
I thought you were going to say them perish for some reason.
It's a finger.
I mean, fair.
I mean, if you're a PC gamer, definitely at end of your life type scenario, but they've got it.
Fair enough.
Actually, this
The straight person's super. Son of a bitch, the hat.
Don't drop that thing. It's worth like a bit. Oh, I think I need to take this off first.
I shouldn't have looked up with it. Yeah, it's gotta go. Thank you, Kevin. I was like, shit, don't break that.
And that is why we evolved 2 arms.
A silly little guy.
Yeah.
You know what? I ain't wearing boots right now. I'm wearing my cute little things. Look at this. So we all at this point just look like a D&D group. And look at him. He looks like he's so done with all of us. Oh, no. The look on Hunter's face.
I need to throw some trash away.
You get your fun.
Hold on. Can I see your phone? Beautiful background. Beautiful cosplay. Beautiful photos.
Does it match the cosplay? I mean, I know it obviously it does not. This is my Valentine's Day that I was gonna use and that I didn't get to, and I was like, or I just didn't have time. So, yeah, it's a little more warped than I thought it would be, but you know what? It'll look nice with a nice blur. It'll look like I'm in a French alley.
Yes.
Eating cheese.
Should I have brought Brie?
Oh god, the wind! The wind! There's the other 2. There's one. I can't. Hello, are you hiding? Where's the other one? The other one's back there. What's she doing? Who knows? She's leaving. I don't know what she's doing. There goes Kevin. Do you mind opening that? Okay.
We're gonna
If
be
you
by
could-
my car, so I'm gonna grab it.
So funny.
Or I could grab my sunglasses. That's dope.
I don't want to lose my hat.
Don't lose your hat, buddy.
Don't lose your wig.
I will not lose my wig.
That was like couture, just the turn.
Maybe it's home.
Just have no trees. I did that with my nose. Oh god, the wind! The wind! There's the other 2. There's one. I can't. Hello, are you hiding? Where's the other one? The other one's back there. What's she doing? Who knows? She's leaving. I don't know what she's doing. Kevin, is it windy?
Slightly. The train's to stand up.
That's gonna be the caption of the video. It's fucking windy!
The tail! We're all blowing.
I'm getting blown back into the 70s.
Bye-bye! He found a snack. It's Kevin!
This person is behaving good. They
The
get to
wind.
hat for 1 hour.
This is it's fucking windy.
It's fucking windy. It's fucking windy.
This is my wind power.
We have an old lady, a mythical being, and a monster. My hat's
Isn't that reason enough?
okay. Fair enough.
Are you a wizard now? We have the druid who
What a
thinks he's a
cadabra.
wizard. We have, what's your class?
I don't know. I'm just here. Fuck.
The just here. I'll be the sorcerer because
I
I'm a
only
wind
played guard
man
one time.
and I step on
Clearly.
people. Looks so majestic.
Don't feel so majestic, I'll tell you.
Your hair's just blowing.
My entire body's blown. I've been expecting you.
You taking a nap?
Giant laser in the sky.
I don't know.
They have like a bunch of them. One of those. You've got that down right at your location.
The cosplay's holding up. Oh, I almost just punched you in the face. I just went. She has the hat now. You've been given hat privileges. Do the thing again. Do it again. both got fucking down on the ground like they were gonna get shot.
Listen to your uncle.
Yes.
Kevin! It's Kevin!
Dude, what are you being mad at? Why are you mad at me?
Oh, so
What did I do to you?
Be nice, Dozer. Why was I... Stella... Hello! That was the meetup. We really didn't do any crafting. We just kind of messed around in the wind. That's about it. And then we vibed and we had food. So... my spoons are a little low, and I really did not have the energy to sit there and sew too much. But I got to wear my Wanderer and see how it looked, and honestly, for a quick try on, it was not bad. But now I have homework to do, and now I want to relax and go to sleep. Good night. As funny as that little thing I just did was, I had my hand on the speaker. Okay, final goodbye. Goodbye.